Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to make yarn from old yarn scraps. I got inspired to try this after watching a video on YouTube from Sadie's Spincraft channel. I'm going to link her channel down below. So she blew my mind completely on how she did it. This is how to make yarn on a budget. You don't need to buy any fancy things. The only thing you have to buy are, so I bought these two pad brushes and I'm going to use these two. Another thing that you need, it's a hook. This is for the drop spindle, and then you need a plastic lid like this one, and you need a pencil. Okay, it's going to make more sense once I start doing this. I'm so excited. If you're a knitter or a person that works with yarn, you know that at the end of the day there will be a little bit of waste. So for example, after you tie in your ends of a project, you will have all these loose little bits. And I've been accumulating mine for a while now. I've got a couple of bags and I'm so excited to actually put them to use today. This is not going to be a step-by-step tutorial. This is just me trying to see if I can make my own yarn. And if you would like to try this as well, I would advise watching the videos that I watched as well. I'm going to link both in the description down below, and let's just jump right into it.
Did I just say that? I did.
Alright, so step one. I need to make the fiber out of the yarn scraps, and I'm going to use the pet brushes for this. So these are just some, I didn't pay much for them. I think I paid around £7 for both. Bought them from eBay. They are just cat dog brushes, nothing fancy really. Alright, so let's see how this goes. So I know that I have to place the yarn onto the brush like so. Okay, this is I think this is 100% lamb's wool. Okay, and I'm going to use the other brush. Okay. Okay, I must be doing something wrong. It's not really working. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go watch her video just to see how she did it. Starting to get super fluffy. Alright, so I managed to make quite a lot of fluffy fiber. It's so fluffy. And now the tricky part comes. So to make the drop spindle. All right, to make the drop spindle, if you watch her video, you will see that she actually used the hook and she inserted straight into a wooden pencil. What I found easier is to just use a pencil that has a bit of has a rubber here. So I'm just gonna pop that in. Yeah, and there's no risk to crack it open, like she was saying. If you're gonna watch the video, you're gonna know. Alright, so this, and then I've got my plastic lid with a hole inside. And I'm going to insert my pencil. Alright, so let's see if I manage. You grab a bit of fluffy. I feel like I should prepare like a longer fluffy kind of like this. Just preparing my ground. Okay. Okay, so I'm preparing a little bit of fiber to work with. Oh, it's breaking apart. Alright, so she takes and she puts on top of the hook and she starts to twist it. Okay, twist, hold, and then drop. Okay, I guess I didn't, oops, I didn't twist it enough. Twist. Okay. Twist, hold. Okay, it's kind of working. It's very, it's not straight, but it doesn't matter. Alright, so that was me trying to make yarn. I don't think I did a great job. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to watch more tutorials to learn more. But it's definitely yarn. It's a boucle. Obviously I won't be able to knit this on the machine, but I think I could crochet something with this. This could look really, really cute. I don't know if you can see. It's quite sturdy actually.
Oops.
Well, not that sturdy. Anyway, this has been really, really fun. I think I've learned something new today and it was really exciting. I'm going to try again and I hope to learn how to make a better job. But yeah, I hope this inspired you to try to make your own yarn as well and put the scraps to some use. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!